Hello friend, how are you? Friend, welcome to back my YouTube channel. My video you like this my YouTube channel, subscribe. Go start my video. Friend, IPS not charging problem. What problem? Friend, not charging problem, three-step component. Three-step component. Look motherboard to octocoupler IC. To octocoupler IC MOC 13 3021 3021 IC name, 2 IC sense and 2 step LM IC name LM 324N, changing this IC and 2 MOSFET 2 charging MOSFET change. Look friend, 2 generate sense, not charging problem solve. 1 IC 2 generate 2 MOC change, fully okay motherboard. Friend, charging ampere regulator, very careful. Charging auto card variable, very careful. No moving, it's okay. Friend, relay, this relay not charging problem, relay switching no and not charging. Okay friend, thank you so much. My video stop. Thank you. Please my video share, like, comment, please subscribe.